Hello viewer, if your GCash app show you, sorry, we are unable to process your request, especially when you are in the middle of a transaction, let's see how to fix this error. Step 1. Go to your phone setting. Now search airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn off your airplane mode because it restart your network setting. Now go back. Now step 2, tap and hold on GCash app. Click on I button. Now scroll down, click on GCash storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from GCash app. Now go back and follow the third step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search GCash app. From here, update your GCash app and download its latest version. And remember, for bank maintenance, because Security Bank has scheduled maintenance starting today, December 29, 7:55 p.m. through tomorrow. If you are trying to cash in or transfer via Security Bank, InstaPay or QRPS, this is likely the causes. Or if you need further assistance, please contact with GCash Help Center or your bank.